So the most common question we get asked is what's the difference between a 13 amp and a 32 amp hot tub? So firstly, it's the electricity supply. 13 amp, 32 amp. For a 13 amp hot tub, you will need an outside waterproof socket. For a 32 amp, you will need a dedicated supply running straight from your fuse box into a rotary isolator switch. A 5 metre tail cable then out of the isolator switch, which we connect to the tub on the day of install. The cable must be a minimum of 6mm armoured. So let's have a look at how a 13 amp operates. So all of our 13 amp hot tubs have a 3 horsepower pump and a 2 kilowatt heater. When your water's running like this, it's heating the water and also circulating it. When you turn your jets on at full power, like this, the heater goes off. So now let's look at our 32 amp hot tubs. All of our 32 amp hot tubs come with a minimum of 2 2 horsepower pumps and a 3 kilowatt heater. Now let's look at how they operate. While you've got one pump running in your tub, your heater will stay on. As soon as you turn on pump 2 or 3, your heater will go off. So another question we get asked is what size of tub should I go for? And should it have 1 or 2 loungers? So a standard size for a hot tub in our range is 2 metres by 2 metres. We also offer smaller tubs and larger tubs. Your loungers can vary on the model you select. We offer tubs with 2 loungers, 1 lounger and even a shared lounger. So there is no right or wrong answer to that question. The size and the layout is completely down to you. All of our tubs come as standard with steps, cover, chemical starter kit, delivery and install. We do offer a cover lift and an additional £150, which makes life so much simpler. So now you've picked your dream hot tub, let's get your order in place. Ordering from us couldn't be simpler. You can order online, on the phone.
The Hot Tub Supercentre, how can I help? Perfect, what tub are you after?
Or by visiting one of our supercentres. So now your order's in place, you'll receive a text with a link to our pre-delivery guide and also a text to upload your access photos. Our installations department will assess your pictures and contact you if further information is required.
Could you tell me the width of the opening of your gates, please?
We require 1 metre access to get your tub into the property. Your tub's manufactured here, which will then be shipped on this, transported by this, unloaded on this, and until the day of install, we store in this. Look at all these hot tubs! Now you've got your date, it's time to get excited. And 1 week prior to install, our accounts team will send the invoice out to you via email. This can be paid online, on the phone, or by visiting one of our supercentres. Our installations team will carefully get the tub into the property, and once installed, give you a full chemical and operations talk through. All this information can then be found across on our aftercare and support site, tubhelp.com. All packaging will be stored within a bag, which we can dispose of at an additional cost of £50. So now your tub's installed, it's time for your first dip. And don't worry, we don't leave cables lying like this.